If you love peppers, this video is for you. Today we're going to plant peppers here in our green stalk vertical garden. And peppers, whether you like hot peppers, very hot peppers, sweet peppers, it doesn't matter. They'll all grow excellent. They'll do very well in a green stalk. So we're going to start off, as you can see, we already have some potting soil in here. As always, we recommend that you use a very high quality potting soil. And we're using a 5-tier basic, which it's going to have the deep pockets here, which the peppers are going to need that because they're going to have a very fully developed root system. We're going to put a little fertilizer in here. Then we're going to use some worm castings. And it's really important that you do add a little fertilizer when you're planting peppers, because these plants are going to be in here longer than you normally would see a lot of vegetables. All right, we've topped this off with some potting soil, and now we're going to start planting our peppers. Make a hole there just deep enough to hold this pepper. We're putting one here, we'll put another one here. Now in between, we're going to plant some, we have some cilantro, we have some parsley we're going to plant in these. These are plants that are not going to have as an extensive a root system. They're not really going to compete with the peppers any, and they come in handy when you get ready to make salsa out of your peppers, if that is the sort of thing that you like to do. I know I do. And so in these alternate cups, really you can plant whatever you would like. You just don't want to plant something that's going to be a very large plant that's going to end up competing with your pepper plants. Now some of these peppers, and here's one right here. It's a type of bell pepper. The larger the pepper, of course, the larger and more vigorous the plant is going to be. We're using some of our trellises here that are going to hold up some of our larger peppers and help support them as they grow. As they grow, they will begin to lean outward some, and this trellis will help hold them up because they're going to naturally come out this way. It's not unusual to see that they're already either have buds or already blooming. You're going to want to pick those off. And you're not going to want those on there for when you first plant, because you're wanting the plant to establish itself, to put all of its energy into growing roots. But since we have just planted these, we're also going to go around to each pocket and water into the pocket to make sure that this soil is saturated and the plant gets watered well its first time out. After that, just watering in the reservoir should be fine. All right, we have all our peppers planted here. We're excited to see how this turns out. We thank you for your time with us today. Happy gardening.